Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is MUNAZZA Bangash, and today I'm going to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks when it comes to applying eyeshadow. A lot of you guys have been asking me on Instagram about how I blend eyeshadow so perfectly, which to you guys it's perfect. Thank you very much for your love and support. Today I'm going to share some of my tips regarding that area of the makeup routine. So this is a very simple eye look, and so because if you know the basics of makeup, you can do any look you want. So today I'm going to show you how to blend eyeshadows. So first of all, you're just going to have to apply your base, which is very important because you want to conceal all the veins and everything, and then you're going to apply a lot of powder so that it's not tacky. A lot of people like to use tacky base underneath eyeshadows, but I don't find it very useful. So yeah, I just like to go in with a very smooth base before I go in with eyeshadow on top of it. I'm using the Mini Controversy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson collab. It's amazing. The eyeshadows are really good. This is also a trick that, not a trick, it's also a very important thing to keep in mind, that make sure your eyeshadows are a good quality and they're blendable. And I'm sorry, I keep talking and all the steps are running past me. I'm not used to this. Yeah, so what I did was I took a lighter shade in the crease and then applied a darker shade in the outer corner of my eye, of the eyes of my client or my model, and then just blended it all together. Everything is pretty self-explanatory for you guys, but I'm just, whatever comes to my mind regarding the tips and tricks, I'm just sharing it with you guys. So basically, after the shadow is done, I'm gonna apply some of the same concealer that I used to create the base with, and I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit because we don't want just the eyeshadow on the lid, right? Because that does not give a very clean look. It just makes it look a bit a little messy. It doesn't give that much of a gradient effect that you want, especially when you're going for a matte look, right? So if you're applying like a matte eyeshadow on your lid and you want it to blend it out with your outer corner and your smoky smoke that's going on in the outer corner of your eye, you want to apply a concealer to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, so that's that. And after I have done that, I've applied a lighter shade of eyeshadow on the lid, and now I'm doing the liner, which is almost done, and you can see how I do it. Yeah, so the number one trick I can give you for liner is always set it with eyeshadow. I love using the Tati Beauty Palette's black eyeshadow. I don't know what it's called. Is it called Memory? I think so. So it's like really good, and I always set my liner with it, and sometimes just blend out the edges as well to give it a bit of a smoky and softer effect. Before the brows, because brows I cannot explain anything to you guys. You guys can see how I'm doing it, and you guys can learn, hopefully. Hopefully I'm not too confusing. Yeah, so before brows, I have cleaned the underneath part of the eye, the bags under the eye. I don't know what it's called, the lash line. I have cleaned it up and sharpened up my liner as well, and applied base and powder. Then I did my brows, and now I'm doing the lower lash line. So I'm using both the same shades, the one I used in crease, right, and then the one that I used to deepen up the outer corner of the eye. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution single mono baked eyeshadow in the shade base for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. Curl the lashes, and you guys can see some of the powder that's stuck on her lashes. It's because she was already wearing some mascara. I mean, she removed it, but it was still there. So yeah, it got stuck. So that's also a trick. Don't use mascara before you're doing your base, because Powder is gonna fly everywhere, and it's gonna be all over your freshly applied mascara lashes, if you know what I mean. So yeah, after that I'm also applying some mascara on the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These lashes are by Eyelovelashespk from Instagram, and I am in love with their lashes. They're so inexpensive and they're very high quality, and you get like 5 pairs for like 1,000 rupees Pakistani, and it's like really good deal. So if you're looking for good quality lashes and don't wanna spend a lot, I would recommend Eyelovelashespk for sure. Conceal the lash band as well. And I'm so sorry this was so quick. Like, I'm really not used to, doing voiceovers, but I hope this was not a total failure, and I hope you guys want to see more. If you do, please subscribe, like, and comment, and of course share if you want to, of course. See you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz.